collaboration with PEOPLElogy, Ibupreneurs, women entrepreneurs can really benefit from the contents. For example, Mr. Kalai, our instructor today, talked about fear and the mind, which will impact the women in the long term, that they can learn the skills, how to cope with themselves and continuously motivate themselves. And tackling the mindset is always the first step, so it's going to be beneficial for them in the long run. It's really important that companies like PEOPLElogy, who's in an award-winning organization with renowned instructors with really strong expertise in its contents, to share that knowledge as well with the community. And it's very impactful and beneficial, especially when we don't really have the access to all these knowledge.
என்ன மாதிரி பேசணும், என்ன மாதிரி ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணணும், ஒரு பேக்கேஜை எப்படி ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி ஒரு பிஸ்னஸை டெவலப் பண்ணணுன்ற கேட்டகரி எல்லாமே இந்த ஒர்க் ஷாப்பில் கிடைக்கிது. எனக்கு நான் ரொம்ப என்ஜாய் பண்ணேன்.
Three main benefits that I am able to take away for today. Number one is communication skills. The second one is presentation skills. And last but not least, this is very important. I learned ChatGPT, not to be lazy, but really how it can ease the way we write, and also how we can use it for our social media, our presentations, and many others.
The event has been so wonderful. The contents are super professional, super inspiring, super engaging, and we hope there are going to be more activities and more programs with PEOPLElogy.
Thank you, PEOPLElogy!